Welcome back. At one point, the Dow was down more than 125 points today, but at the close, it was up 78, nearly 0.5% and closing above 17,900. The S&P 500 added 11 points, closed just below 2,100. The Nasdaq was up 36. Low interest rates are creating a surge in mortgage applications for home ownership already. According to new data this morning from the Mortgage Bankers Association, total applications were up more than 14% last week, and applications to refinance home loans jumped 21%. Joining us now for more is Patricia Delinois, CEO of Century 21, Premier Elite Realty in Miami, Florida. Good to have you with us, Patricia. We know Miami's actually been, struggling a little bit, maybe coming off the boil a little lately. Has there been new life breathed in because of these low rates?
Hi, Kelly. How are you? Yes, we've had the perfect storm between 10-year and 30-year Treasury yields at record lows. Brexit and slow economic growth has created buying opportunities and refinance boom. As you know, the refinance applications have been up 21% from a week ago and over 113.5% from a year ago.
Wow. And where do you think, is it enough that people are just aware, that rates have moved lower again? I mean, how much money are they saving? Is this going to be a long-lasting move, do you think?
Well, lenders are quoting 3.25% for 30-year fixed rates for quality borrowers. And what's happening is, because it is a perfect opportunity for homeowners to refinance, they're taking advantage of the extra savings and they're learning from the past mistakes. So instead of using the extra savings to increase their lifestyle, what they're doing now is they're looking for investment opportunities, all sorts of income producing opportunities, or putting the money in savings for their retirement. They're learning from the past.
Patricia, it's Carol Roth. What about international buyers? Obviously, we have a lot of countries that have negative interest rates and a lot of havoc being wreaked around the globe. What are you seeing in your market and also across the U.S. for that appetite from the international buyer, which has obviously been a really big player in terms of getting the market to where it is currently?
Well, what we're seeing is, even though there's global anxiety, these foreigners from Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, Colombia, Canada, France, China, UK, Peru, and Mexico are looking for a safe haven. They're looking for different reasons, either tax purposes, political purposes, government, security, a good investment. And being that the U.S. still, even though with the strong dollar, and we have it's still a much safer bet for foreigners. So the foreign buying, especially since Brexit, UK has always loved global cities. I'm from Miami, so South Florida, Miami, New York, global cities like that, UK has very strong economic ties. So we're seeing increased interest right now from British buyers.
Wow.
We have over 26,000 residents now in Miami, and we probably get, as far as visitors, anywhere from 115,000 visitors a year.
Patricia, incredible. We'll see again just what more comes of this. It's early days. Appreciate you joining us. That's Patricia Delinois. And for more on these historic low rates and the so-called safety of the bond market, you can check out my latest piece for The Spark. It's at CNBC.com.